Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to enable fingerprint recognition in your Windows 11. So to do this operation, you have to get the fingerprint sensor in your laptop or computer. Next, go to settings here. Click on it, and there is a choice from here, the icons on the left side. So scroll down and there is a sync in option. So click on it. And there is a fingerprint recognition here. That's it. So you can, from here you can add a finger. Yep, get started. Write the pin to your computer and touch the sensor by your hand. Yep, all the set. So closing it, and you will have a finger recognition in your Windows 11. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.